Hello my dear students. So today I am going to show you the electromagnet and how its strength increases or decreases with the passes of electric current that I am going to show you today. So for that we have taken an electromagnet in which we are having an insulated copper wire and a soft iron core which is present inside it. And as you know that the magnetic field inside the bar magnet is uniform, same is in this case, that is the solenoid is also acting as a bar magnet which is having uniform magnetic field inside it and non-uniform outside it. So we are having a magnetic compass which is naturally aligning in the north direction itself. So this is a battery eliminator which will be giving us a required amount of current which will pass through this electromagnet, and let's check the strength of this, how it varies with the passes of current. I have connected this electromagnet with the terminals of the battery. So you can see I have connected this end with the positive terminal, and you will see that the current will start flowing from this end to the negative side, and the direction here will be anti-clockwise. So the anti-clockwise direction represents the north pole of the electromagnet, and the direction which is below it will act as a south pole. So to check the presence of the magnetic field around the insulated copper wire, we have the magnetic compass over here which will show deflection when the current will start passing through this wire. So let us start this apparatus. We have turned it on, you can see already. So as I will increase the voltage, the amount of current which will pass through this wire will increase and hence produce lot of magnetic field which will deflect this magnetic compass needle. So as I increase this, you can see, you must see this needle of the magnetic compass. So you can see, students, that the magnetic compass have shown the deflection towards the magnetic towards the electromagnetic coil which is there, and this is how we conclude that as the amount of current increases through the wire, it produces a magnetic field, and the strength could be felt as the distance increases or decreases from the wire. The more is the strength as we are closer to the surface, and lesser is the strength as we go away from the wire. As we increase the amount of current through the solenoid, the more will be the magnetic field. You can see in this way. You can see, students, as I bring the magnetic compass near the north pole of the electromagnet, it attracts the south end of the magnetic compass needle, and as I bring it to the south pole of the electromagnet, the north end of the magnetic compass needle gets attracted towards the south pole of electromagnet. So this shows that the pole which is having anti-clockwise rotation of the coil, that is the north pole, and other end is south pole.